And now your NBC Nebraska weather forecast with meteorologist Bill Rentschler.
We're keeping a close eye on some showers and thunderstorms across the area for your Friday evening. If you have any outdoor plans, want to make sure you have a good way to get your weather information as storms continue to try and rumble through the area. Starting off, again, taking a look at the radar. Right now, nothing threatening the North Platte area. So again, folks, maybe heading out to the Lincoln County Fair. I don't think we're going to have any issues, at least over the next hour or so, but we'll continue to see at least a small chance through the rest of this evening to see some showers and thunderstorms in our neck of the woods. Just off to our west, we do have a pair of severe thunderstorm warnings for Cheyenne as well as Dual County for about another half an hour or so. That storm very slowly drifting off to the south and to the east, only at about 20 miles an hour, capable though of producing some large hail up to the size of ping pong balls, as well as 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts in areas of heavy rain. Further back to the north across Cherry County, again, a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings in place. One of them about to expire. The next one goes for about another 45 minutes. And again, some large hail up to 2 inches in diameter possible, as well as 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts in areas of heavy rain. These thunderstorms developing along that stalled out frontal boundary that's been across the area for the past couple days. And I think as we head over the next few hours, they're going to continue to very slowly drift off to the south and to the east. So here in North Platte, I think our chances fairly slim. After we lose the heating of the day, sunset around 9 o'clock, they are expected to really continue to fizzle out, but certainly wouldn't be surprised to maybe see an isolated shower or thunderstorm keep going as we head towards midnight and maybe a little bit after. And again, the rapid refresh model does have some of that activity moving into the North Platte area around midnight tonight. But I think for most of us, for your Friday night plans, we're just going to go with a 20% chance to see some showers and storms here in our neck of the woods. Will be a warm, humid evening, though. Temperatures in the 80s and then back down to the low 70s by midnight tonight. Out there right now, again, we can see that anvil cloud from those thunderstorms just off to our west and just off to our north. That's helped bring down our temperature. We've topped out at 91 today. Our graphic says 90, but it's actually 91 for your high, a few degrees above average. We've cooled back now into the lower 80s, but it is air that you can wear out there today. 74 degrees right now, your dew point. So if you step outside, still feels close to 90 degrees when we factor in that humidity. Temperatures on the board range anywhere again from the 70s into the 80s and still into the low to mid 90s across the southwest. McCook still at 94, Imperial at 93 degrees. And again, very humid out there. Moisture continues to pool along that stalled out frontal boundary. We've seen those southerly and southeasterly winds all week continue to bring in that extra moisture. Satellite and radar picture again over the last 6 hours. We can see the showers and thunderstorms developing along that stalled out frontal boundary to our north. And again, they're not going anywhere in a hurry. So we'll continue to see the threat for some of these to produce some large hail damaging winds and areas of locally heavy rain. That's always a concern when we have those slow moving thunderstorms. We zoom out, take a look at a regional view and add on our surface features. There's that stalled out frontal boundary and the thunderstorms developing along it will continue to drift into our neighborhood as we head over the next few hours. But after midnight tonight, I think we're going to be mainly dry as those storms should fizzle out. And we will see partly to mostly cloudy skies, though, but we're going to do it all again Saturday and into the day on Sunday. Another upper-level disturbance moves into the area. It's finally going to shove this front off to the east, though, so the front's finally going to push through. As it does, we'll see that line of storms move through Saturday night into Sunday, and then into Sunday afternoon, we should see some clearing skies and a little bit cooler weather behind that front, at least a few degrees cooler anyway. Skycast this evening, again, we'll watch out for showers and thunderstorms drifting into the area. Again, strongest storms certainly could produce some large hail damaging winds and areas of heavy rain. I think as we head past midnight tonight, that chance for rain will go down. Heading into the day tomorrow, it's going to be a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. Southeast winds at around 10 to 20 miles an hour for us. And by Saturday night, storms developing off to our west will move east into our area, and those storms certainly have the potential to be strong to severe as well. Highs staying pretty summer-like for us, upper 80s to low 90s, and dew points again staying in the mid and upper 60s, so another humid day. Slightly cooler Sunday. Could see some storms linger into Sunday morning, but Monday looks dry, middle 80s for us, and then pretty typical as we head throughout the work week next week. Highs generally in the upper 80s, around 90s, and again, a few weak disturbances moving into the area could bring us some occasional thunderstorms, Kent, but it looks like a pretty typical finish to July and start to the month of August.